Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jasvinder Kaur. Today I will discuss second part of our series 350 most important molecular biology MCQs for all competitive exams. So without wasting time, let's start. In eukaryotes, control of gene expression occurs at eukaryotes में control of gene expression जो है it occurs at 4 levels. वो कौन कौन से 4 levels है? फर्स्ट लेवल जो है पहले ट्रांसक्रिप्शन लेवल पे चेंज होता है ड्यूरिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, देन प्रोसेसिंग लेवल पे दैट इज़ एट द स्टेज ऑफ स्प्लाइसिंग, और उसके बाद ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ mRNA फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियस टू साइटोप्लाज्म, जब ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है mRNA का न्यूक्लियस से साइटोप्लाज्म की तरफ, तब एट द फोर्थ लेवल during the transitional level. So the correct answer is that in eukaryotes control of gene expression occurs at 4 levels. Next question is chloramphenicol inhibits. Chloramphenicol जो है it inhibits the synthesis of DNA. DNA synthesis को inhibit करती है chloramphenicol. Helical winding of DNA is removed by an enzyme. हेलिकल वाइंडिंग जो होती है डीएनए की उसको रिमूव करता है एंजाइम डीएनए टोपो आइसोमरेज. डीएनए टोपो आइसोमरेज जो है हेलिकल वाइंडिंग डीएनए की रिमूव करता है. डिसकंटिन्यूअसली सिंथेसाइज्ड लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड डीएनए fragments are sealed by which one of the following enzymes? Discontinuously synthesized lagging strands होते हैं DNA fragments में, they are sealed by enzyme DNA ligase. DNA ligase enzyme से लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड के जो डिसकंटिन्यूअसली सिंथेसाइज डीएनए स्ट्रैंड्स हैं उसको सील किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग 4 स्टेटमेंट्स इज इनकरेक्ट. इसमें से हमें अब इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज लीडिंग स्ट्रैंड इज सिंथेसाइज्ड इन 5 प्राइम 3 प्राइम डायरेक्शन. दिस इज करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट क्योंकि लीडिंग स्ट्रैंड 5 प्राइम 3 प्राइम डायरेक्शन में ही सिंथेसाइज होता है. देन लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड इज सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय बैक स्टिचिंग प्रोसेस, ये भी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. Then DNA polymerase can directly synthesize new chain of DNA. This is the wrong statement, incorrect statement, क्योंकि DNA polymerase जो है वो directly new chain of DNA synthesize नहीं कर सकता. Anti-parallel strand of DNA are separated by helicases. This is also correct क्योंकि anti-parallel strands जो हैं DNA के वो separate होते हैं by helicase enzyme. Next question is a gene encoding tRNA undergoes a mutational event in its anticodon region that enables it to recognize a mutant nonsense codon and permit completion of translation. Such a mutation is known as, इस type की जो mutations होती हैं they are known as nonsense suppressors. Who for the first time experimentally demonstrated that only DNA of the bacteriophage enters the host cell and not the phage protein. In this question, किसने first time experimentally demonstrate किया था DNA of bacteriophage enters in the host cell, ना कि protein of phage. So the correct answer is Hershey and Chase. इन लोगों ने demonstrate किया था that only DNA of bacteriophage enters the host cell and not the phage protein. Freshly broken chromosomal ends are sticky and tends to fuse. जो freshly broken chromosomal ends होते हैं वो sticky भी होते हैं और tend करते हैं fuse करने के लिए, जुड़ने के लिए. However, the ends of intact chromosomes are stable and do not fuse in spite of presence of DNA ligase in the nucleus. और जो intact chromosomes होते हैं उनके ends fuse नहीं करते हैं DNA ligase होने के बावजूद when they are in nucleus. Which of the following could explain the stability of the chromosomal ends? अब stability of chromosomal end किस वजह से है? It is due to the presence of telomerase sequences. telomerase की activity की वजह से ही chromosomes जो है वो fuse नहीं कर पाते, जबकि उसमें DNA ligase होता भी है when they are present in nucleus. The phenomena whereby mutations caused by UV rays are reversed by exposing cell to visible light of 422 to 492 nanometer wavelength is known as. जो phenomena है whereby mutation caused by UV rays can be reversed by using the visible light of 422 to 492 nanometer wavelength, इसे हम कहते हैं photo reactivation process. Consider the following. Which of the above is or are the inhibitor or inhibitors of DNA synthesis? हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि कौन सा DNA synthesis का inhibitor है. So among these 5 amino uracil and hydroxy यूरिया. These two are the inhibitors of DNA synthesis. DNA synthesis को ये दोनों chemicals inhibit करते हैं. So the correct option is option C, that is 1 and 3. Pyrimidine dimers in DNA are formed when the cells are exposed to. pyrimidine dimers जो DNA में form होते हैं वो कब form होते हैं? When the cells are exposed to the ultraviolet light. Which one of the following is caused by the chemical 5-bromouracil, which is a base analog? Due to 5-bromouracil, जो कि एक base analog है, ट्रांजिशन कॉज होती हैं. ट्रांजिशंस जो है क्या होती हैं? ये पॉइंट म्यूटेशंस होती हैं दैट चेंजेस प्यूरिन न्यूक्लियोटाइड टू अनदर प्यूरिन. दैट मीन्स ये एडेनाइन को चेंज करती हैं ग्यूनाइन में एंड ग्यूनाइन को एडेनाइन में चेंज कर देती हैं. और दे कैन ऑल्सो चेंज पायरिमिडीन न्यूक्लियोटाइड टू अनदर पायरिमिडीन. अब इसमें क्या चेंज होता है? साइटोसिन टू थायमिन और थायमिन टू साइटोसिन. दिस टाइप ऑफ म्यूटेशंस आर नोन एज ट्रांजिशंस और ये कॉज करती है 5-bromouracil. ACDS system in maize was discovered by. ACDS system जो maize में है it was discovered by McClintock in 1950. ACDCs are the transposable controlling element that was first recognized in maize. In DNA repair processes, some pyrimidine dimers can be removed by. DNA repair processes में pyrimidine dimers जो हैं they can be removed by photoreactivation. A mobile genetic element characterized by inverted terminal repeats is called. Mobile genetic element जो है which is characterized by inverted terminal repeats. Terminal repeats जो हैं उसके inverted होते हैं. It is called as transposon. In E. coli, which of the following codons are recognized by the release factor RF1? E. coli जो कि एक बैक्टीरिया है इसमें RF जो है बैक्टीरियल रिलीज फैक्टर 1 है एंड दे रिकॉग्नाइज द सीक्वेंस UAG एंड UAA. The Okazaki fragments occur as fragments in. Okazaki fragments जो हैं वो occur करते हैं as fragments in the lagging strand of the DNA duplex. DNA duplex के lagging strand में Okazaki fragments पाए जाते हैं. Which one of the following statements completely implies to the genetic code? अब यहाँ पे कुछ हमें characteristics दिए गए हैं statements में जो कि genetic code के हैं और we have to find the correct statement जो कि imply कर सके हम genetic code के लिए. Genetic code is triplet, degenerate, universal, comma-less and non-overlapping. तो ये सारे जो कैरेक्टर हैं वो जेनेटिक कोड के लिए हैं. वो ट्रिपलेट भी है, डीजेनरेट भी है, यूनिवर्सल भी है, कॉमालेस भी है एंड इट इज़ नॉन ओवरलैपिंग. और ये बाकी स्टेटमेंट में गलत क्या बताया गया है? हेयर इट इज़ नॉन यूनिवर्सल, दिस इज़ इनकरेक्ट. एंड हेयर इट इज़ नियरली यूनिवर्सल, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. then it is non-degenerate, this is incorrect. Then here with comma, it doesn't have any comma, so only option first is correct, that is option A. That is genetic code is triplet, degenerate, universal, comma-less and non-overlapping. Double-stranded DNA having one of the strands with which of the following sequence can be called palindromic. अब DNA डबल स्ट्रैंडेड DNA फ्रेगमेंट्स के स्ट्रैंड में से नीचे से कौन सा फ्रेगमेंट दिया गया है विच इज़ नोन एज पैलिंड्रोमिक. पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंसेस में रिपीटेड सीक्वेंस होते हैं. हेयर इन दिस GATC and again the GATC sequence is repeated, so this is the palindromic sequence that is asked in this question. So this is the correct option, option A. With reference to protein synthesis, consider the following events. What is the correct sequence of the above events in protein synthesis? अब protein synthesis के कुछ events दिए गए हैं. We have to find the correct sequence. First of all, the activation of amino acid will happen. So option first. After this, formation of amino acid tRNA complex, इसका formation होगा. Then after this, binding of amino acyl tRNA complex with the mRNA. amino acyl tRNA complex है ये bind करेगा with mRNA and after this the polypeptide formation occurs. So the correct sequence is 1, 3, 4 and 2. This is the correct answer. Who discovered that the infective part of virus is nucleic acid? Infective part जो virus का है वो nucleic एसिड है ये किसने डिस्कवर किया है? इट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय हर्शे एंड चेज. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अबाउट दिस. Consider the following statements. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Correct statement बतानी. Initiator tRNA binds to the ribosome small subunit even though no mRNA is present. जब tRNA के पास mRNA present नहीं होगा, how can it binds? तो this is a wrong statement. During elongation of protein chain, the bond between methionine and its tRNA in the P channel is broken by enzyme located in the small subunit of ribosome. This is a correct statement. So among these two, only statement 2 is correct. The replication fork during DNA replication. Replication fork जो बनती है during DNA replication is the site at which the single stranded regions appear. वही site है where the single stranded regions जो है वो appear होते हैं. The RNA synthesized on DNA template in the nucleus differs from the mRNA in the cytoplasm in that it contains. जो RNA synthesize होते हैं on DNA templates in the nucleus वो different होते हैं as compared to the mRNA in the cytoplasm because they contains the segments transcribed from introns. उनमें introns included होते हैं, लेकिन जो cytoplasm वाले mRNA होते हैं they lack introns. A DNA molecule having A plus G upon C plus T is equal to 0.71 shows that the molecule is, when the equation is less than 1, that means it is a single stranded DNA. If this equation is equal to 1, then the DNA molecule will be double stranded. If this equation is less than 1 as here, so it will be a single stranded DNA. There are 64 triplets in mRNA, but all the triplets do not code for amino acids. 64 triplets होते हैं in mRNA, but all triplets जो है they do not code for amino acids. The number of triplets that code for amino acids is, जो triplet code करते हैं amino acid, they are 61 triplets. Which of the following phenomena were discovered for the first time in maize? Maize में first time जो phenomena discover किया गया था, among these it is breakage, fusion, bridge cycle and mobility of controlling elements. ये दो phenomena है जो कि first time maize में ही discover किए गए थे. Breakage, fusion, bridge cycle जो है it is a mechanism of chromosomal instability जो कि discover किया गया था by Barbara McClintock in the late 1930s. और जो mobility of controlling elements है, these are related to transposable controlling elements, was also discovered by Barbara McClintock. So among these, only these two are phenomena are discovered for the first time in maize. So correct option is option A. That is 1 and 2. Very small organisms like bacteria and encode much more information than the number of triplets they have. This suggested. This is because the genetic code is non-overlapping but the genes are overlapping. जो genetic code है वो overlap नहीं करता है but genes जो हैं they are overlapping. RNA polymerase II which synthesizes mRNA in eukaryotes is generally, जो RNA polymerase II है which synthesizes RNA in eukaryote, वो जो है generally they are sensitive to alpha amanitin. RNA polymerase II जो है these are sensitive to alpha amanitins. Consider the following events in DNA replication. The correct sequence of these events is. अब ये DNA replication के कुछ events दिए गए हैं. We have to make line up them in correct sequence. First, the reorganization of initiation point by initiator protein. This takes place. Then, dissociation of hydrogen bond and opening of a bubble in the duplex by unwinding protein. उसके बाद क्या होगा? Dissociation of a hydrogen bond का और bubble open होगा by the duplex of unwinding protein. After this, formation of mRNA primer by RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase से mRNA primer का formation होगा. Then formation of DNA strand on RNA primers by co-poly-third complex. उसके formation होगा DNA strand का by RNA primers. After this, रिमूवल ऑफ आरएनए प्राइमर एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओकाजाकी फ्रेगमेंट्स। जब ये डीएनए स्ट्रैंड फॉर्म हो गए उसके बाद रिमूवल हो जाएगा आरएनए प्राइमर्स का एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओकाजाकी फ्रेगमेंट स्टार्ट्स एंड देन in the last filling up of the gap between Okazaki fragments and formation of DNA strand. जो filling gaps है Okazaki fragments में उनको fill किया जाएगा and then formation of DNA strands happens. So the correct sequence is 4, 5, 1, 3, 2 and 6. This is the correct sequence of events in DNA replication. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. Until next time, goodbye.